Hello, today we will explore the world of the lucky god. Their story reminds us of the importance of being careful in our work. Good luck, and let's get started. Garage thought it was as strong as a wall, but this tree thinks it's in WWE with its tumbling ability. Wow, trees have proven they can fly without wings. When you think you are Tarzan, but the tree says, "You are not Tarzan." Oh my God, this is when you realize the tree is not the only thing that is being sawed, but the viewer's heart is also being sawed. Not only was the tree cut down, but it also checked into the house for free, from professional to amateur. When a tree falls on his head, he learns the meaning of gravity in a humorous way.
And it's going the wrong way. Oh my gosh. I got that, but that was not good at all.
Oh no, the tree chose the fastest way into the house. Not through the door, but through the roof. This guy chopped down a tree and forgot the lesson. Trees are not easy opponents. Now he is both a carpenter and a flying artist. Uh-oh, I guess the crane would like to join in the free fall game too. But unfortunately, there are no prizes for this one.
Shit.
Boom, they will definitely pay dearly for this lesson. Cutting down a tree is quick, but repairing a house requires a budget.
Here it comes.
Oh my God, this palm tree must think it's a superhero. It can both shade the sun and sanctify the church.
This oak tree is gigantic red oak with a horrible leaf. Whoa! There it comes down. Oh, that was really mean.
The snow was falling white. Everything seemed peaceful, but the twist of the falling tree made even the experts scared.
Whoa!
The tree was successfully cut down, but it chose to say goodbye by falling into the house. The tree must have known how to make drama. Wow, not a war, but a fierce confrontation between man and tree. This tree definitely has his supernatural powers. Honestly, tree cutting is an extreme sport. Without experience, it is no different from playing a survival game in real life. When nature calls, plans can fly with the wind. Sometimes you can only stand and watch and feel the surprise it brings. Wow, he will definitely be a super strong guy who is always ready to burden every mountain and forest mission.
Chipper. He's gonna come off right here. See him hitting it with the saw.
This work has labor protection, but do not forget that in the world of nature, surprises can always happen at any time.
Got him tied off.
When the tree falls, not only does the ground shake, but also people's hearts are shaken. What a powerful natural sight. The rumble sound was loud, as if the tree was introducing itself. I'm here to impress. Prepare for the big fall. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to get all our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos.